namely Alan Savoury was one of them, who is pretty much considered the grandfather of regenerative farming. He's a Zimbabwean, and made some really key observations about the interactions of herbivores with grasslands. And then I read quite a bit of an American called Joel Salatin, which he's almost the rock star of regenerative farming. Everywhere he goes, he pulls a very large crowd. I've met him a couple of times, and he's incredibly practical as well. So he talks about living with nature, not fighting against nature. Which to me made imminent sense, because when it comes down to it, one human versus nature, there's always going to be a winner.